Did you know that a snail can sleep for up to 3 years? Yes, 3 whole years. Imagine the number of dreams they could have during that time. Welcome, adventurers of all ages, to another journey into the fascinating world that exists right under our noses. Today we dive into the slow, slimy but surprisingly interesting world of snails. Snails, these tiny creatures that carry their homes on their backs, have a lot more going on than meets the eye. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, has created some truly amazing creatures, and snails are no exception. Picture this, a world where you can eat, sleep, and travel all in one place. Sounds like the ultimate dream, right? Well, for our little friends the snails, it's just another day in the life. They carry their homes on their backs, which are actually hard shells that grow as they do. Did you know that there are over 1,000 species of snails? Yes, 1,000. From the tiny garden snail to the giant African land snail, the world of snails is diverse and colorful. But the life of a snail isn't all about slow strolls and long naps. These tiny creatures have to watch out for predators like birds, frogs, and even other snails. Yes, some snails are carnivorous and eat other snails. It's a wild world out there, even for the smallest of creatures. Now how about a speed challenge? While we humans might find snails slow, they're actually quite speedy for their size. A garden snail can cover the distance of a meter in about 2 hours. That might not sound fast to us, but for a creature that small, it's like running a marathon. Now, let's talk about snail mail. No, not that kind of snail mail. Snails actually have their own mail system. They leave a trail of slime wherever they go, which other snails can follow to find food or a mate. It's like their own version of a GPS. So the next time you see a snail slowly making its way across a leaf or a stone, remember, they're not just slow, they're super snails with their own homes, their own mail system, and a world full of adventures. As we wrap up, remember there's always something amazing to discover in the world around us, even in the smallest of creatures. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep learning. And who knows? Maybe next time we'll discover that ants have their own version of the internet, or that bees are actually master chefs. Until then, stay curious and keep adventuring. The world is full of surprises just waiting to be discovered.